and welcome sa Kwenta Pro. In this tutorial, ituturo namin sa inyo ang step-by-step kung paano mag-record ng payment in, pera na natanggap ng negosyo, at payment out, pera na ibinayad mo sa suppliers, partners, o service providers. With Kwenta Pro, mas mabilis, mas madali, at fully digital ang pag-manage ng transactions. So let's get started! Part 1. How to record payment in. Step 1. Open the Kwenta Pro app. Buksan ang Kwenta Pro app sa phone mo at siguraduhin nasa homepage ka. Step 2. Tap Payment In from Shortcuts. Sa homepage, makikita mo ang Shortcuts section. Hanapin ang Payment In at itap ito. Pag tap mo, automatic na mag-open ang listahan ng lahat ng customers at suppliers na nakalink sa account mo. At ito ay para mas mabilis at accurate kang makapag-record ng payments. Step 3. Select the payer. Piliin kung sino ang nagbayad. Step 4. Enter the amount received. Ilagay ang exact amount na natanggap mo. Double check para siguradong tama ang records. Step 5. Choose mode of payment. Piliin kung paano natanggap ang bayad. Pwedeng cash, for in-person payments, pwede ring wallet, for digital wallet payments like GCash, Maya, etc. Pwede ring sa bank, for bank transfers or deposits. Step 6. Add a remark. Optional lang ito. Pwede kang maglagay ng notes tulad ng invoice number 123 or product order o di kaya'y outstanding balance. Step 7. Tap Save. At ayun, Kwenta Pro updates your records instantly para laging accurate ang sales at cash flow mo. Part 2. How to record payment out. Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa payment out. Pera na lumalabas para sa expenses. Step 1. From homepage, tap Payment Out. Makikita mo ito agad sa shortcuts. Step 2. Select the party you paid. Piliin ang supplier, partner, o service provider na binayaran mo. Step 3. Enter the payment amount. Tamang amount equals tamang expense tracking at profit calculation. Step 4. Choose mode of payment. Piliin kung paano mo binayaran. Pwedeng cash, for walk-in or direct payments. Pwede ring for wallet, digital payments, and bank for online transfers or deposit. Step 5. Add a remark. Optional din ito. Pwede mong ilagay kung inventory purchase, electricity bill, or office supplies. Ikaw na ang bahala. Step 6. Tap Save. Your payment out is instantly recorded, giving you a clear picture of your business expenses. And then you can check your total balance. Pagkatapos mag-record ng payment in and out, pwede mong i-check ang updated balance. Sa homepage, itap ang total balance. Makikita mo lahat ng accounts mo at ang complete breakdown ng balances. For more detailed tracking, check out our next tutorial, how to create and share professional invoices using Kwenta Pro.